Hello everyone. Today I am upgrading the RAM and hard disk of my Lenovo IdeaPad 320. Let's begin. Now I am removing all 13 screws from the bottom side. Always remember to look for hidden screws below the sticker. After that, remove the CD-ROM from the laptop. Now I am unlocking the clips from the bottom panel, which keeps the panel in place with the help of screwdriver and a pick. Let's remove the bottom panel and see how the laptop looks from inside. The first thing everyone should do when they open any electronics is remove the battery connection. Now I am removing the hard disk from the motherboard. Now I am removing the CPU fan so that I can clean the CPU fan and heat sink. After cleaning the fan and sink, I am installing the fan back on the motherboard. Now I am connecting the Wi-Fi antenna to the Wi-Fi card. I am using the Crucial 240GB SSD and Crucial 4GB DDR4 RAM for upgrading my laptop. I have installed the SSD in hard disk holder and now installing the SSD on motherboard. Last step is to install the battery in the laptop and secure it with the screws. Now I am closing the back panel and let's see the final result in BIOS. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe to my channel.